Leftover fried idli. Let's convert this leftover fried idli into tasty, yummy breakfast. So whenever I have leftover idlis, I keep it actually because I love this. So these are leftover idlis. Chop them up into cubes of smaller to medium size. I like it smaller size so that it coats well with all the spices. And you're tired eating idlis, and then what do you make of leftover idlis? This is the best breakfast, and you can make changes to this by adding different vegetables and adding some tomatoes. I always do different things, but this is just the basic one I'm showing. So I'm chopping these idlis and these are ready. And now I'm going to take bell pepper. So chop bell pepper, make sure you remove the seeds. I chop bell pepper into similar sizes to what I have with idli. And as I said, you can add some carrots, green peas, any vegetables of your choice. And this will make a healthy recipe for your kids also. I usually add tomatoes towards the last, if at all I added, but this is a simple recipe. So let's do the tadka by adding some oil and basic mustard seeds, green chilies. When mustard seeds splutter, we are going to add green chilies and curry leaves, and the bell peppers. Bell peppers are sweeter, that's the reason I have added green chilies. So roast bell pepper for 1 minute, and now we are going to add the idlis which you have chopped. We want to make it nice and a little bit crunchy, so I'm adding the some salt to this because idli already has a salt, some turmeric powder, red chili powder, and idlis, and saute it on a low flame for about 2 minutes until all the idlis get coated and they'll get a little bit crispy on the side and soft. That is what we want. So I'm going to saute it for 1 to 2 minutes, and this can be done last minute. Add some tomato ketchup or tomato sauce if you have. This will give a nice tangy flavor to this. And after we saute it for 1 to 2 minutes, we are going to cover and cook it only for 1 to 2 minutes because everything here is cooked, so we don't need to cook it, but just for the flavor to get absorbed. So just for 1 to 2 minutes, cover it, and it's become so yummy. It looks delicious. And add chopped cilantro, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy this with a hot cup of masala chai, and do let me know what variations you do with your idli fry, and do try this recipe and have a very blessed day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe Nari Sakhi for more videos of this tasty recipes. Thank you.